While making the point-to-point connection settings, I am shooting this video on the complaint that the parameters button is not active. To solve this problem, we need to install the setup point-to-point add-on. For you to download this program, I have added a download link in the detail of YouTube page. This is a zip file. Unzip the zip file and go to the directory where it was unzipped. Run the setup file in the folder. Complete the process by installing. Installation will take some time depending on the speed of your computer, but it doesn't take long. Complete the installation by clicking the Finish button. After the program is installed perfectly, you can open your project again. If the installation is successful, you will see that the parameter button becomes active.
If you want videos like this to continue, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos. Thank you.